Certainly. Here's a 4-minute YouTube script for your faceless video titled How to Transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance, Step-by-Step Guide, written in a sophisticated, authoritative, and emotionally engaging tone. Imagine this. You're holding USDT in your SafePal wallet, watching the markets move, opportunities rising, but you're stuck. Can't transfer, can't trade. And worst of all, you're watching your future wealth slip through your fingers. Don't let technical confusion be the reason you miss the crypto wealth wave. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance, seamlessly, securely, and fast. This isn't just about moving crypto. It's about taking control of your financial future. And yeah, if you're still thinking, is this really necessary? Just wait until you see what happens if you mess up the network settings. Spoiler, it's not pretty. Stick with me. Step 1. Open your SafePal app. Start by launching your SafePal wallet. Make sure it's updated. Outdated apps are like expired passports, useless at the border of opportunity. Tap on Assets, locate your USDT balance, and take a breath. That's not just digital money. That's a building block of your future wealth. And if you just tapped around randomly hoping the app would magically do it for you, don't worry, we've all been there. Step 2. Choose the right network. This is crucial. Tap on Send and prepare to choose your network wisely. You'll likely see options like TRC20, ERC20, and BEP20. But here's the catch. Binance must support the exact same network you're sending from, or your funds could disappear into the void. Ever heard of someone losing hundreds of dollars for using the wrong network? Yeah, that could be you, unless you keep watching. I personally recommend TRC20 for low fees and speed, but always double-check Binance's deposit options before sending. Step 3. Get your Binance deposit address. Open your Binance app, Wallet, Deposit. Select USDT. Then choose the same network, TRC20 for example. Copy that wallet address and triple-check it. Copy-paste errors are silent wealth killers. Pro tip, don't be that guy who accidentally sends $500 to a stranger in Kazakhstan because they missed one letter. Step 4. Back to SafePal. Enter the address and amount. Now, paste the Binance deposit address into SafePal. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and hit Next. Confirm all the details like your future depends on it, because guess what? It kind of does. You'll be prompted to verify the transaction with your PIN or fingerprint. Tap Send. Step 5. Confirm on the blockchain and wait for it to hit Binance. After hitting Send, your transaction will be processed by the blockchain. Head over to Binance, refresh your wallet, and wait for the magic to happen. Usually, transfers on TRC20 take just 1 to 5 minutes. Still not seeing it? Don't panic. I'll show you how to track your transfer like a crypto detective in just a second. On SafePal, tap the transaction and find the TX ID. Use a blockchain explorer, like Tronscan for TRC20, to track its progress live. It's like watching your money teleport. And there it is, your USDT, now in Binance. You've just unlocked the power to trade, invest, or stake, to take action, not sit on the sidelines. Every small move like this puts you one step closer to financial independence. But here's the thing. Transferring is just the beginning. If you want to truly build long-term wealth, you need to understand the power of compounding, the same principle that turns $1,000 into 6 figures over time. Tap the video on screen now to discover how compounding quietly builds empires, while others sleep on their future. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe if you're serious about building wealth, and remember, every click, every transfer, every decision puts you in control. Would you like me to also generate a voiceover script with pauses and inflection cues, or a matching end screen prompt for the power of compounding video?